Now before we leave this side of the house and go to the back, let's just take this this man door here and let's just raise the elevation there by let's say 12 inches and have that as a step up, perhaps maybe a little bit less. Go down to about 8 inches. And let's go back of the house and let's throw in some sliding doors. And we've got our back patio doors here. Again, we'll take the elevation up to good 1 foot off the ground. And we'll have to add some windows in the back here as well. We'll hold the control key down, and we'll do 2, and then 1 on the far side here. And we could always put 1 on the corner window too. This side here was where we'll put a chimney.